Romulus and Remus, the world's first genetically engineered dire wolf-like canines, represent a groundbreaking moment in modern science and biotechnology. Born in October 2024, these two male pups were the result of colossal biosciences, ambitious effort to bring back the traits of the extinct dire wolf using advanced gene editing techniques. Their story is a blend of ancient history, cutting-edge science, and symbolic naming rooted in myth and legend. The project began with a focus on the dire wolf, Aenocyon Dirus, a fearsome predator that roamed North and South America during the Ice Age. Though it went extinct around 10,000 years ago, fossil evidence, particularly bones found in the La Brea tar pits, preserved enough genetic material for scientists to analyze. Colossal's team extracted DNA from dire wolf remains, including a tooth dated to around 13,000 years ago, and mapped out key genes responsible for physical traits like bone density, skull shape, fur color, and size. They identified around 20 such genes to replicate in a modern host. Using CRISPR gene editing tools, researchers modified embryos of gray wolves, inserting these ancient genes to reintroduce some of the dire wolf's characteristics. These embryos were implanted into domestic dog surrogates. The result? Romulus and Remus, born healthy and strong. Their names are no coincidence. Romulus and Remus are legendary twin brothers in Roman mythology who were raised by a she-wolf. In the myth, they later went on to found the city of Rome. The names are an ode to both the genetic origin of the pup's wolf lineage, and their role as pioneers in the rebirth of a lost species. Much like their mythical counterparts, these twins symbolize the beginning of a new era, in this case, one where extinction may no longer be permanent. Romulus and Remus are currently being raised in a secure and highly monitored research environment. Scientists are observing their behavior, growth patterns, physical development, and social interactions to assess how closely they resemble the dire wolves of the past. While they're not true clones, since only a fraction of the dire wolf genome was edited into the embryos, they are considered proxy species, meant to reintroduce certain ecological traits once lost to extinction. Their story is still unfolding. As these pups grow into adulthood, the world watches closely, wondering what they will teach us, not just about the dire wolves of the past, but about the future of species revival, ecological restoration, and the ethical boundaries of science.
Hope you like the video. See you with another interesting video. Bye then, signing off from Black and Blank.